Hello everyone, Mike here. So today this Sealey Scroll saw arrived in the post. I ordered it because I do a lot of woodwork and sometimes the things I want to do require quite a lot of accuracy, which you just don't get from using a handsaw. So this is a 406mm throat variable speed scroll saw. And well, as you can see by the box, it is quite large. So I've got some of the paperwork. So there's a few pieces like this with it. Not entirely sure what they will do yet. Here's a blade in here and an Allen key and a few other things. Well, it's definitely well packed. Obviously I did open this, but that was just to make sure that it had arrived safely, because it was a small amount of time when you could return it for. So I wanted to make sure I'd opened it and checked over before I recorded this, just in case there are any problems. Now the actual scroll saw. Break the box, I think. It's probably going to be easier. So here it is, the scroll saw. Safety protection guard thing there. Right, let's get this unwrapped. Have a look what we got. So it is metal, which is good, because I had a look at another one which was about half the price, however it was plastic. Metal is just a lot more durable, so I thought it's best to go with that, because at least I know it's going to last then. And it wasn't that much more. The way I look at it, I'm paying £40 extra to get something that's going to last me years longer, so it really wasn't that much. So it's looking about the size I was expecting, which is good. I think this is attached on the bottom, yeah, so that's what the Allen key is for. I'm very impressed with this. So to tell you a little bit more about it, I think this tells me something. It's got I think it's a 51mm cutting distance, which is good. Not distance. Cutting height, which is a very good, well, for a scroll saw it's very good. The ones I'm used to, I think they have a 3.4 cutting height. So this is a lot better, but obviously this is a more expensive brand, and Sealey is quite a good brand for this. They're quite reliable. So I'll start working away at this and we'll see if we can get it ready and working. So I decided to set it up off camera just because it was very fiddly and there wasn't really much to show you. I'm now just adding this final piece. This is supposed to sort of go over like this, I think. Let me just check. Nope. It goes over on the side. That makes sense. There we go, something like that, I suppose. So you can alter the speed. There's a dial on the side that alters that, which is cool. I'll show you. So that's on. Dial on the side decides how fast it goes. And that turns it off. Then what's in that? Nothing. But if you're thinking of getting one of these, I would highly recommend it. They are a very good piece of kit. Not entirely sure what this one does yet though. Wonder if it's a light. Let's see. Oh no, so it blows any dust away. Right. Okay. And so the faster you get it to go, the faster it blows. Right, that makes sense. Right, so I'm going to take it off the cardboard now. I've done everything with it. There we go. So, I might move this eventually. I might not. What I'm going to do now is just see how well it cuts wood. I need to make this down. Okay. So I'm going to see how well it cuts wood now. Before I do that, I just need to get the safety bar. Okay, so it's raised. So this is how you get the safety thing to work. Basically, just get it to the height you want. I'll just take off this very end piece. In fact, I'll use a piece of scrap wood. Doesn't matter then if it destroys it. There we go. Let's go down. So this sort of helps guide it in from what I've gathered. So this is on the lowest setting now. Yeah, it's not going to do much on that. So on the medium setting, it does just cut the wood, but it is struggling a little bit. Now, let's try it on the highest setting. And just like that, that's fallen off, but look at that. That is a very smooth cut. I'm really impressed with this. So this is quite a thick, quite a hard piece of wood, and it's made very quick work of it. Now I just need to try and fix this. So there we go, the scroll saw is all finished. I've replaced the blade because the first one, it just wasn't looking too great. I believe because it was already in when it was travelling down here, I think it's been a bit damaged. It's got, I can't find it now. Where should I put it? Anyway, it's just got a bit of damage in it and I'm worried it's going to snap. So I've just replaced it with a fresh one. Slightly different one as well, but hopefully this will be very useful to me very soon. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.